10 untold facts about the new wave of AI. The latest developments in artificial intelligence are changing a number of industries, including cybersecurity, healthcare, and even the arts. AI technologies are changing how we tackle difficult problems, fostering creativity, and enhancing daily experiences as they develop further. This investigation explores 10 little-known facts regarding the impact of AI, emphasizing both its creative uses and the moral dilemmas raised by its quick development. Number 10. AI in dark web surveillance. The dark web is a covered area of the internet where people may remain anonymous, which makes it a popular place for illicit operations like trafficking in people, selling drugs, and dealing in weapons. For law enforcement organizations around the world, keeping an eye on this area has proven extremely difficult due to its covered nature. AI is transforming dark web monitoring by using sophisticated data mining methods. Artificial intelligence systems can use natural language processing to sift through enormous volumes of material from chat rooms, forums, and markets and find terms and phrases linked to illegal activity. For instance, by identifying particular vocabulary exclusive to these communities, algorithms can identify conversations involving drug exchanges or illicit services. Number 9. Combating fake news. The spread of false information has a significant impact on society since it distorts public perception and erodes confidence in media organizations. Artificial intelligence solutions are being developed to successfully combat the rapid spread of fake news on social media platforms. These systems use machine learning algorithms that have been trained on large datasets of news stories, both reliable and unreliable. AI can determine whether a piece of information is likely to be inaccurate or misleading by examining language patterns, the reliability of the source, and even the content's emotional tone. Sentiment analysis, for example, might show whether an article uses language that is too sensationalist or emotionally charged, which are characteristics of false news. Furthermore, in order to confirm the correctness of assertions stated in articles. Number 8. Personalized health interventions. The use of AI technologies that make use of big data analytics is propelling a paradigm shift in the healthcare industry toward customized medicine. AI can generate thorough profiles for each patient by combining data from multiple sources, including genetic test results, electronic medical records, lifestyle decisions, and environmental influences. Predictive analytics, for instance, can pinpoint genetic markers linked to particular illnesses, such as diabetes or breast cancer, enabling medical professionals to adjust preventative measures appropriately. This could entail suggesting lifestyle adjustments like dietary adjustments or exercise routines according to the patient's genetic makeup. Through wearable technology and mobile health apps, AI systems may also continuously monitor patient data and provide real-time feedback on health parameters like blood sugar levels and pulse rate. Number 7. AI in creative competitions. An intriguing discussion concerning the nature of art and originality has been triggered by the convergence of artificial intelligence and creativity. Machines may now create original artwork and musical compositions that defy conventional notions of creativity thanks to recent developments in generative models. In generative adversarial networks, for example, two neural networks, the discriminator and the generator, cooperates to learn from pre-existing datasets and produce new content. In the visual arts, these GANs examine thousands of paintings in a variety of genres to produce original works that incorporate new components while imitating the aesthetics of well-known artists. Similar to this, artificial intelligence algorithms are used in music creation to identify melodic and harmonic patterns in enormous musical composition libraries in order to create original works that emotionally connect with listeners. Number 6. Space farming. Sustainable food sources in space are becoming more and more important as humankind's ambitions for interplanetary travel increase, especially with missions slated for Mars. Due to harsh circumstances and scarce resources, traditional agriculture methods are not feasible in extraterrestrial settings. This presents the possibility of AI-powered farming systems made especially for space farming. Researchers are investigating cutting-edge methods like hydroponics and aeroponics that are improved by artificial intelligence technology that continuously monitor environmental factors like temperature, humidity, light intensity, and nutrient levels that are critical for plant growth. These systems make use of sensors that are linked to machine learning algorithms that continuously evaluate data in order to automatically optimize growing conditions. For instance, the system can automatically modify artificial lighting to maintain ideal growth conditions if a certain crop exhibits symptoms of stress from inadequate light exposure. In addition to assisting long-duration human missions, the successful use of space farming offers insights into sustainable agricultural methods that may help solve Earth's food security issues. Number 5. AI in cybersecurity. Businesses are using AI technologies as a key part of their cybersecurity plans as ransomware attacks and data breaches become more common and sophisticated cyber threats. By examining network traffic patterns for abnormalities suggestive of malicious behavior, machine learning algorithms are essential in spotting possible threats. An algorithm might, for example, identify anomalous data transfer quantities that would indicate a breach is taking place or highlight odd login attempts from unknown places. Furthermore, by using past attack data to scan software applications for known vulnerabilities, AI-driven systems can automate vulnerability assessments. Number 4. Emotional intelligence development. The development of emotional intelligence skills within AI systems is crucial for improving user experience and pleasure in a world that is becoming more automated and where interacting with computers is becoming the norm, from chatbots for customer service to virtual health aides. In addition to understanding human emotions, advanced technologies are being developed to react correctly to contextual clues obtained through a variety of modalities, including voice analysis tools and facial recognition software. During a support call, for instance, an emotionally intelligent virtual assistant may pick up on a user's frustration or confusion in their voice. By identifying these emotional cues, the assistant can modify its responses, possibly providing reassurance or elevating the matter to a human representative if required. Number 3. AI-driven disaster prediction. Predictive capabilities driven by sophisticated analytics are becoming more and more crucial for disaster preparedness efforts aimed at limiting property damage and fatalities during catastrophic occurrences like hurricanes or earthquakes, since natural disasters offer serious hazards on a global scale. It has historically been difficult to identify subtle seismic signals that indicate impending earthquakes using deep learning techniques applied on seismic data collected over time because of the chaotic nature of the geological processes involved. Number 2. Restoration of damaged photos. Artificial intelligence has made significant strides in image restoration techniques that enable the restoration of damaged photos from a variety of historical periods, including family heirlooms and archives that have been neglected for a long time owing to deterioration. These technologies automatically restore missing pieces photographs that cause tears to fade using a process known as painting, using deep learning algorithms trained on enormous datasets of undamaged images. The algorithms preserve the original visual quality of the photograph by analyzing the colors and textures of the surrounding pixels and filling in any gaps. In addition to improving recollections, this skill helps historians retrieve priceless visual records. Number 1. AI's role in oncology. AI is revolutionizing the way medical professionals approach diagnosis and treatment planning in oncology, the field devoted to cancer therapy. By using sophisticated data analysis tools, AI systems can detect minor patterns linked to various cancer kinds that are not visible through standard analysis methods alone by utilizing huge amounts of patient data, including genomic information, treatment histories, and clinical outcomes. Predictive modeling, for example, evaluates each person's likelihood of cancer recurrence based on their particular profile and suggests individualized therapy alternatives, such as immunotherapies based on genetic makeup or targeted medicines. This move to precision medicine improves patient care and has the potential to increase overall survival rates through prompt therapies based on thorough insights from intricate datasets. Furthermore, current research investigates how combining genetic sequencing data with clinical trial outcomes could improve treatment plans even more, guaranteeing that patients receive the best treatments possible given their unique cancer characteristics. These perspectives offer a thorough grasp of how the next wave of AI is changing several industries, emphasizing both its revolutionary potential and the moral issues that need to be taken into account as technology develops at an accelerated rate. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.